We've all been there.
Stick around and we'll get right to it.
We've all been to the field and found at the very most inopportune time that we're missing a particular adapter that we need. Well, guys, Jim from Chat Radio has absolutely solved this problem with this $20 kit. Now, I guarantee you can't put this kit together picking up individual pieces and parts from a hamfest for as inexpensive of a price as Jim has it on his website. And I will leave a link to this down in the description below. Let's take a quick look at this kit. So the basics of the kit is this 40-inch piece of coax. We've got an SO239 on one end of it, and then we've got an SMA male on the other end of it. Let's see if we can get that in there a little bit closer for you guys to take a look at. But this is the basics for what we're going to use in this kit. Now, it also includes a lot of different adapters that we might need. For instance, this little barrel connector here is an SMA female to female. So if your HT happens to be the the male variety, then we can use this adapter in here and get it converted over to the SMA female. Another one of the adapters included is the PL259 to SMA female. So we could put this one on this end and convert this piece of coax to PL259. If BNC is your jam, then we also have a BNC connector to SMA female that we could use. This is the one that I usually keep on this end of the cable because most of my HTs are already converted to BNC. So this makes it quick and easy for me to go from BNC on one end to whatever I need on the other end of this piece of coax. We've got another BNC style here to SMA female. We've got SMA female to SO239. We've even got an N-type connector to the SMA female. So this is handy if I want to use my Rig Expert Stick Pro, which has the N-type connector on the top of that analyzer. The kit also includes a PL259 to PL259 connector here. We have a BNC to PL259 in this connector. This one here goes from SMA male to PL259, and this particular connector goes PL259 to BNC. So you can see we've got a lot of different capabilities in this particular kit. There's 9 different adapters that you get with the kit, plus the length of coax, and all of that would fit in a little small bag that you could throw in any pack that you have. So a big shout out to Chat Radio for making this inexpensive kit available for us. Again, I'll leave links down in the description below. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.